Can you open it?
Look, I opened it. Go out.
I think some more. Its color
Blue.
blue, so we don't need to put food color already.
There. That's enough. That's enough blue.
I think we need some more.
Sprinkly.
More.
That's a lot. Ew. It's a lot.
Oh, excuse me.
Sorry. There. Ew.
Okay, what's next?
Baking soda. First, let's start with baking soda. Pick up the baking soda. You went in there. Now let's do some water. Here comes water coming up. There, but I need. What's this?
Okay, stir it first.
Additive. Additive. Am I agitating it?
Here.
Additive. Additive. Is it taking for so long?
Let Mama help you.
I'm gonna put the activator. Let's put there. Activate. I activate it.
Okay, and then?
Stir again.
Good. See?
Okay, now slime.
Not yet. You have to mix it some more.
There's two. Oozy. It's slime.
Almost.
It's sprinkly slime.
Yeah, glittery.
Ew. Slime. That's slimy. Almost done. Almost.
Yeah, almost done.
There. Now it's almost to be slime. Look, it's slime. Fixing.
Okay.
It's now sprinkly slime.
It's glittery, right? May I see? Ooh, glitters. Cool.
This one. It's cool now.
Yeah, it's cold now.
It's oozy.
Oozy.
It's stretchy.
It's stretchy. Can you show me if it's stretchy? Ooh. Does it stick to your fingers? If it sticks to your fingers, yeah, you have to put some more activator. Does it stick to your finger? Don't scratch your head.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Because it's stretchy.
I see. Look at this slime. Light blue slime. Okay.
It's stretchy.
Ooh, stretchy. Need. Yeah. How do you knead? Oh, it's sticking to your hand.
Take it out.
Well, maybe we need an activator. Some more activator.
I like it. I like this slime.
Can you test now?
It's oozy slime.
Oozy slime. Yeah. Can you knead it? Stretch it. In fact. Yeah. Whoa. Can you stretch it? Face to me. Face to me. Stretch it. Stretch it. Ooh.
It's
Cool. you give that 2 thumbs up?
Hands up.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. What can you say about the slime?
This cool. It's cool slime.
Do you like it? I love that. Yeah.
This is cool slime. I like this slime. Smells good. It's a good smell slime.
Good.
You can make things with these slime. You can also play with slimes. You can also slime up your toys. Look at this one. It's soft. Look, I made a bubble. Look what we can do with this.
Yeah. It's very stretchy.
This is Mario. Take this, flatten it like that, and then let's add a cutter. There, take cutter out like that. You can stretch it. Arm, the arm can go behind. Look how sticky it is. Let's cut it. Let's take it out and let's roll it. And it becomes it transforms. We can transform into a mirror with a hole. Look.